You mold it in the flour like that. You just mold it over and over. And you take it up, you just shake it a little, get some of the excess flour off. And you put it in the oil. It's well hot over here. It's bubbling, so you just see? Bubbling over there, it's well hot, so your oil has to be well hot. And you use enough oil to cover the chicken. So the chicken, when it's fried, it's well cooked. Whenever you're eating it, you know, some of it cook and some of it doesn't cook inside. So use enough oil just to cover it. So the oil cook the chicken. If you don't have much oil in the pot, whenever your chicken fries and the bone, it will be maybe some. And guys, remember, you season your chicken 2 days apart before you cook it. Or if you're gonna know you're gonna cook on Saturday and Sunday, you season your chicken from Friday or Saturday, so it's ready for Sunday. So I do mine 2 days apart, but I demonstrate this morning just to show you how I do mine and how I season it. But I do mine 2 days apart. So here's the chicken going in the oil. It's well hot. See, it's almost cooked because the oil is well hot. And you continue to do, guys, until you got enough chicken in your pot. Don't make your pot cluster too much. Don't cluster your pot too much with chicken. You just put less chicken in it. Don't let it too cluster for it to take much time to fry. So you put less chicken in it. And whenever you finish put your chicken, you cover your pot. Cover it until the chicken is ready to turn. You turn it over and you cover it again. And when you're ready to turn over your chicken, you just take off the cover, put the cover for a while and keep your flame on a very low flame until you know your chicken is cooked. You know when your chicken is cooked. You know, you stick it with the fork, especially the chicken leg. You stick it with the fork like this. You stick the chicken leg with the fork for the oil to penetrate the bone. Just like that, for the oil to penetrate the bone. And you put the cover on it, you cover it. And that's it, you have your French fried chicken, finger licking good chicken. Well guys, as you can see, my French fried chicken, finger licking good, finished frying. See, that's the finishing product. So I'm gonna dish a little amount and you guys enjoy it with me with your eyes. That's the rice and peas, Gungo rice and peas. And guys, I'm gonna make you some fried banana, fried green banana. What I do, I peel my banana. And I season them with a little garlic salt. That's my green banana. I season them with a little garlic salt. And I dip them in the flour. And I fry them and I use them as a side dish with my rice and peas and chicken. So guys, remember to like, subscribe and share with your friends. And well guys, this is my finishing product. My finger licking good French fried chicken, Gungo rice and peas, and a little touch of vegetable. And remember I told you about my green banana. That's my green banana wedgie. You just peel the green banana and you sprinkle a little salt on it and you dip it in the flour, just like how you do the chicken, and you fry it as a side dish. And that's my cool glass of fruit punch. So guys, enjoy with your eyes. Meanwhile, I enjoy with my mouth. Happy Sunday. Remember to subscribe, love, and share. Bless. I'm tired to my phone.